I know, but
You know what? You know what? You know what's so funny about rainy days? It's just that 1 minute of the day is sunny and it's hot, and then the other minute of the day it's dark, cloudy, and rainy.
Sometimes.
What do you feel about that?
Sometimes I think a tornado is going to happen because, like, I hear that hot wind and cold air, whatever. Hot air and cold air mixes. And
I heard that when hot air and cold mixes, that makes fog.
I thought it was a tornado.
How do you feel about rainy days, Drew?
They suck.
Plus, he's a punk of lightning.
Wait, so how do...
Nigga, it's dark. Take me home.
You got that right.
Man, I'm scared of both. I'm like, got lightning and the dark.
We all know Sasquatch is out there somewhere waiting for us.
Sasquatch. The first time Joe saw me, he was like, Sasquatch.
I was like, BB, big black. Oh, hey. It's Fat Billy. Everybody, listen. Oh, man, that was on video. Nasty, how's that nasty? Drew, it's farting nasty.
He farts all the time, so who cares?
But Drew farts all the time, I know.
Yeah.
But it's natural. If you don't fart, you have too much pressure. You have too much pressure body that builds up, and you could die. Because you could burst.
Why can't you, like, fart out your penis like girls?
Because that's only for liquid, stupid.
I know, but girls fart out